Have you ever wondered how a motor can rotate both forward and backward using electronics? In this video, we are looking at a basic H-bridge motor driver circuit, which is commonly used in Arduino and robotics projects. This circuit uses multiple transistors to control the direction and speed of a DC motor. What is an H-bridge? An H-bridge is a circuit that allows voltage to be applied in both directions across a load. In this case, a DC motor. That's how we can make the motor rotate clockwise and counterclockwise. Main components in this circuit. Here we have 4 switching transistors, T1, T2, T3, and T4. A control transistor, T5. Current limiting resistors, 250 ohm and 150 ohm. Protection diodes, and a DC motor in the center. How direction control works. The transistors T1, T2, T3, and T4 form the H-bridge structure. When T1 and T4 turn on, current flows in one direction through the motor, so the motor spins forward. When T2 and T3 turn on, the current direction reverses, so the motor spins backward. Important: we must never turn on T1 and T2 or T3 and T4 together, because that will cause a short circuit. Speed control using PWM. Now let's talk about T5. T5 is used to control the motor speed using PWM, pulse width modulation. Instead of supplying constant voltage, PWM turns the motor on and off very quickly. If the on time is longer, motor spins faster. If the on time is shorter, motor spins slower. This is exactly how Arduino controls motor speed. Why resistors are used. The 250 ohm and 150 ohm resistors are very important. They limit the current coming from the Arduino pins, because an Arduino output pin can only provide about 40 milliamps maximum. These resistors protect both the Arduino and the transistors. Why diodes are used. The diodes in this circuit act as protection components. When the motor spins, it generates a reverse voltage, called back EMF. This reverse current can damage transistors. So, the diodes safely redirect that current away from sensitive components. Where this circuit is used. This type of H-bridge motor driver is used in Arduino robotics projects, remote control cars, motor control systems, automation systems, DIY electronics projects. So in simple terms, T1, T4 control motor direction. T5 controls speed using PWM. Resistors limit current and protect Arduino. Diodes protect from back EMF. If you understood how this H-bridge works, like this video, subscribe for more electronics and Arduino tutorials. And if you have any issues with this circuit, let us know in the comments.